Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the sunroof, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain what you can expect to find them. We'll talk guys about hidden fuses, fuse boxes, relays, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share guys that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The sunroof, fuses and relays guys, we'll show you where you can find them. Quick advice from us. 9 out of 10 owners of that Chevy Equinox do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, a video that can save you a lot of money guys. And here we need to open the hood. Facing the engine here on the right side, that's the driver's side, you have a fuse box. You see, next to the brake fluid reservoir, you have one clip here, one there. You squish them together and leave the cover up. And underneath, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And for the sunroof guys, which fuses and relays we need to check here specifically? First we'll start with the fuse. Now you have all kinds of different fuses guys, different sizes, and the numbers are completely chaotic guys. For instance, that's fuse 5, 6, then you go to 23. So just to know that you always need to double check everything. But the fuse that we need to check for the sunroof is fuse number 12, that fuse right here. What about guys the relay? You don't have a relay, this is known as a relay fuse, but if you still have problems with the sunroof, what you need to check is fuses, relays for the BCM, the body control module guys. And if you want to see where these fuses and relays are located, if you don't know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel that will help you with that as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys the interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.